Right. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the 13th Annual Tri-Power Automotive Open House and Customer Appreciation Day. It is going to be one fantastic day today. The weather is perfect. I would imagine we're probably going to get a couple hundred cars here. Wide variety of cars, muscle cars, street rods, hot rods, custom, stuff like that. In the shop, there's a bunch of neat stuff that we've been doing over the year, and I'll be showing you some stuff that has happened. So last year we showed you this 1959 Chevrolet Viking 40 truck. It's a 2-ton dual rear axle, well, dual wheels on the rear axle truck that we were going to restore. If you remember, this truck only had 8 miles, and it came out of Nebraska, and the customer wanted us to do a complete restoration using all of its original parts, which we have. If you look at last year's video, you'll see that we have changed the colors and to the customer's preference. And we did some new chrome work on the original grille, and the bumper will be here soon. But all the original engine parts, fuel lines, distributor, everything, carburetor has been restored and put back into the truck. This is going to be one really neat project for this customer, and he's going to use it as a marketing tool for his company, and it will actually go into his full auto collection at some point. So another project we have going on here at Tri-Power is a 62 409 wagon, dual quad positive traction 409, just like the Beach Boys. This car is going to be an all original car. It's had only one repaint, and it's going to have a complete numbers matching dual quad engine in it, along with the correct 4-speed, shifter, tack on the column, and everything that goes with a 409. Check this out. This is a dealer installed option that you could have bought from Chevrolet back in '62. It's a metal screen, and you put it by the window, and you can put your dog back there, you can sleep back there if you're going to do camping. It's really cool. Or unroll the windows and let the breeze blow through. It's very, very unique option, and I've never seen it. You know that we're GTO guys here. We love GTOs, I love GTOs, I've had them all my life. This is a 1969 Ram Air GTO convertible that we've been restoring for the past year. The cool thing about this is that the customer's owned this car. It was his first car since 1977. And when he bought it, I don't know if he realized it, but it did have Ram Air. It has Ram Air and it's fully loaded. Automatic, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, power windows, power antenna. It's got hideaway headlights, it's got the rally gauges, it's got the rally wheels. So it's a really, really rare car, especially with this crystal turquoise color. This is the factory color, and it has a parchment interior. From what I can tell, they only made about 82 of these, so this is one rare GTO. So just in the last week or two, we got this 1957 Chevy convertible that we're going to do a complete restoration on. I thought you guys might want to look at it now, and maybe next year we'll have it done, but this is going to be a complete upgraded drivetrain, LS motor, that type of thing. Guy wants to be able to hop in it and drive to California. You know, air conditioning, power steering, CD player, all that kind of stuff, but it's going to have a, you know, kind of a complete stock body. So we're not sure yet exactly all the details, but it just came in, and it's kind of something we're going to get into. We're going to kind of get into this more modern stuff also, as well as doing all the classic muscles. So watch for this one. It's going to be awesome. I want to thank everybody for coming out today. Wow, huge turnout, great food. You know, everybody had a great time. A little warm today, but it worked out great. You know, hope to see you next year, and it's gonna, you know, we get bigger and bigger. It's getting to be a better and better show. So we'll see you next time.